What's up, guys? Welcome to howtomath.com. In this video, we're going to continue our series on GCD, or greatest common divisor. So in this video, we are going to answer 3 exercises on finding the GCD of 2 or more numbers. Let's have the first exercise. Find the GCD of 30 and 42. So first, we list the divisors of 30. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 6, 15, and 30. I hope I didn't miss anything. Oh, I missed 10. So we have 10. What else? 15 and 30. Okay, what about the divisors of 42? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 7, we have, what else? 14, we have 21, and we have 42. Okay, so what's the greatest among the common divisors? So first, what are the common divisors? So we have a 1 here and a 1 here. We also have a 2 here and a 2 here. We have a 3. We have a 6. What else? No more. So the greatest common divisor is the largest among the divisors. So our GCD of 30 and 42. GCD of 30 and 42 is 6. What about letter B? 12 and 27. So let's have divisors of 12. By the way, this is only by listing because we have other ways of finding the GCD, which we will discuss in the next video. So 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 6, what else? We have 12. What about the divisors of 27? Divisors of 27. We have 1, we have 3, we have 9, and we have 27. So what's the greatest common divisor? I think we only have 3, right? So our common divisors are only 1 and 3. And the GCD of 12 and 27 is 3. The GCD, or the greatest common divisor, is the greatest or the largest among the common divisors. Okay, so I think we'll have to answer the last one, 18, 27, and 45. So letter C, divisors of 18. I think we already have 18 here. Oh, no 18 yet. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 6, we have 9, and we also have 18. What about divisors of 27? We already have here the divisors of 27. So that's 1, 3, 9, and 27. What about divisors of 45? That's 1. We have 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 45 is divisible by 3. That's the divisibility rule of 3. What else? We have a 5 because it ends in 5. 45 ends in 5. We have 9. We have 15 and we have 45. So what's the common divisors? What are the common divisors of the 3 numbers? So we have 1. We have 3. Oh, sorry. Mess it up. 3 is also a common divisor. And maybe I should list it. Common divisors of 18, 27, and 45. We have 1, we have 3, and we have 9. So the greatest among the common divisors, or the largest among the common divisors, is the GCD. Therefore, the GCD of 18, the GCD of 18, 27, and 45 is 9. So before we end, I think I'd like to note some observations. Now notice that for every whole number, 1 is always a divisor. So 1 is always a divisor of any whole number. So that's our note. Note 1. 1 is always I messed it up again. 1 is always a divisor of any whole number. And number 2, because we're talking about whole numbers here. The whole number, or any whole number, is a divisor of itself. Of course, 30 is a divisor of 30. 42 is a divisor of 42. 12 is a divisor of 12. So any whole number is always a divisor of itself. And if you can remember our discussion on prime numbers, if a number has only 2 divisors, 1 and itself, then it's called a prime number. Okay, so just try to remember that, because prime numbers are very important. That's it. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. By the way, I would like to invite you to howtomath.com, our website, and of course our channel on YouTube. You might want to subscribe and click that bell, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. See you in the next tutorial.